Okay, so with the box, this box is connected to this mount here. So you can see there's a bolt under here. So there's a bolt, and then you remove the box. So when you insert this to the trike, the bolt will be in the middle here. Okay, so the box can be kept here or can be kept here inside. So take a look here. This is the mount that will hold the box, and this bolt will go through and will tight with the 13 millimeters socket. So this is what I'm gonna do now. I will install the box. So this is permanent. This will stay on the trike. You can fold the trike and everything, but this one, if you need to fold the trike, you cannot have this. You have to remove the hitch to fold the trike. So I will install, this is called cargo box, mounted on the center of the trike. So this is the center version. They are bolted, the box is bolted to this base, so there's no way to remove the box from the base. So the way we're gonna install, we'll put it there, move back and forth, okay, until it goes all the way. Then I will install this bolt here, move it, wiggle it back and forth, and pause. So we're gonna use a 13 millimeters socket and to drive that bolt. Okay. Okay, so you want to really tighten this well. Okay, so it's tight. This box, these are the, so you have to do on both sides, and you can open, load it, close it. Okay. So now I will remove the box. If you have to remove the box, you have to come here and undo this bolt. Better to remove the whole bolt because it's hard to, you may be able to kind of just move back and forth and pull this, but it's a little difficult. So I will suggest that you remove the bolt totally. So you have to wiggle here to make it easy. So this box here is not supposed to be removed all the time. Once you install, it will stay there, you know. But if you have to fold the trike for transport, you have to remove the box. Okay, so remove the bolt and remove the box.